narratives. He created a narrative against Uhuru Kenyatta that he's a drunkard. He created a narrative against Raila Odinga that he's a witch doctor. He is creating a narrative against Gachagua that he's a tribalist. When I fought for Gen Zs, they were not from the Mount Kenya. You know, when I went to northeastern Kenya to give food during El Nino, those people were not from Mount Kenya. I speak for the Kenyan people, but I also come from somewhere. And there are some people who expect me to stand up for them. And again, my brother, when these people go to meetings, they say that they'll gang up and isolate the people of Mount Kenya. What do they expect me to do? They expect me just to keep quiet and let them isolate Mount Kenya? When the president is purging the people from the community, they expect me just to keep quiet and let him purge the people from the community so that I'm seen to be national? I am a nationalist. When I talk about the payslip holders, when I say the president has raided the payslip and a new administration that I'll be part of will restore the dignity of the payslip, is that about Mount Kenya? When I say Kenyans are being overtaxed, is that about Mount Kenya? You know, this brand of trying to brand me as a tribalist is William Ruto. You saw him trying with the Eden Duale, trying to create a wedge between me and the Somali community. Simply because I said, Nuruddin Haji is not doing his job properly. They try to create a narrative that I have something against the Somali. Let me tell you, the Somali community and our people are one. We are business people. If you go from Thika here, Sagana, Karatina, Narumoro, Nyanyuki, Meru, the Somalis are everywhere. If you go to Isili here, the Kikuyu community and the Somali community are one. And we work together. And myself, I do business with the Somali community, you know. And there is no way the people of Mount Kenya can survive business-wise without the Somali community. But simply because I talked about one individual, they try to say that I have something against the Somali community. I'd like to assure the people of the Somali community, yourselves and the people of the mountain are one. We are business people. And by the way, the Somali community are good people. You know, they are trusted. You don't even have to write anything. These things I had agreed with William Ruto. If I had agreed with the Somali, I would not be here in this position today. They would keep their word. So that narrative of trying to say I'm tribal is William Ruto. And that is why you see, when he went to the mountain, if he was a man enough, why didn't he talk about me anywhere in any meeting? Why didn't he start in Kirinyaga or in Embu and say Rigathi Gachagua is a tribalist? He wouldn't. Because the people know, when you say Rigathi Gachagua is tribal, you are actually fighting the people of the mountain. All right. How come President William Ruto is cheating the people of the mountain that he has a 20-year friendship with them, yet he superintended over a meeting where the Honorable Wanyama said the people of the mountain should be isolated? William Ruto was the last speaker. How come he did not admonish him and say that is wrong? And then he's here cheating the people of the mountain that he is their friend, yet he is the one who is very busy, crafting a narrative, trying to get 40 versus 1, what he did to the people of the mountain between 2005 and 2007. Because the Pentagon, William Ruto was the most active person of mobilizing all other communities against the people of the mountain.
Okay. So your claim